guys, welcome to another video and thanks for checking in again. Also for Instagram, thanks for tuning in guys. So today I'm going to show you the new wing spoiler that we did. Actually, it's not really a new wing spoiler. It's based on the Porsche original 992 Aero Kit. We just modified it only very slightly to be on the legal side and also to improve a little bit upon the original one. Now, as you might know, the original Aero Kit at the moment is available for the Porsche 992 Carrera. The Porsche 992 Turbo has a totally different wing setup. We're going to show you some photos here while I speak, I'm sure. Now, one big option that is missing, at least at this moment when we were making this video, is this wing from Porsche is actually not available in carbon fiber. So you can order it, the wing. I think it's still an option. Maybe by now they already let you spec the 992 with an Aero Kit. At least in the beginning that was only an option. I remember the first 992 state came out a few months ago. You couldn't even option this. The kit was just simply not available. That's why we had the idea to make the Porsche 992 GT3RS style wing. Now you can do it, but it's still not available in carbon fiber. And even if they come up with a carbon fiber blade, I'm pretty sure they will not do it in forged carbon fiber. And this is something that we of course do as well. So enough the talking. We are unpacking the wing now, and then I'll come back to you and let's get some close look together on some details of this wing spoiler. Here we go. So that's it. You saw we just unpacked the wing. Basically it consists of two parts. There's a new base which you have to swap for your original base spoiler on your 992. There is a hole in the center for a new rear light. Now this is something very interesting. I was told by our customers in Japan that actually some of the cars, I assume the Carrera cars, they come with a light that actually fits into the same design for the Aero Kit wing, but others don't. So it seems like some Porsche 992s in Germany, they have the rear light. At least the regular Carrera's rear light is totally different from the one that fits the Aero Kit. We have to see how that goes into other countries. At the moment, we basically took over the design from the original Aero Kit, but since this is our mold, we can just make modification and either make our own light or make modifications so that other lights can fit. Leave me some comments what you think about this, what would you like to see. That's it at the moment. You have to either reuse your old rear light from your 992 Coupe or order a new one from Porsche. We can also give you some suggestions for some other options, but really this one is probably the most easiest one. So this is our customer here from Thailand, a company called Repower. They already helped us in the previous video, if you remember, with another customer. They also mentioned that we can simply develop a 3D mesh or a mesh for this hole and either put a rear camera in there, or as I mentioned before, we use one of our own design rear lights that we can fit in there. Let me know, once again, let me know what you think is the best option. So let's move around the wing here. You see, this particular wing here today is not made from pre-packed carbon. It's made from visible carbon fiber. Again, I get this question a lot, and we've done some videos about this. Visible carbon is 100% carbon fiber, and it is made in vacuum as well, but the material is just so different. For example, it's much heavier because the coating is applied by hand. Then the material itself is quite loosened when we put it into the mold, so there's much more room for error. The pre-packed carbon, it comes pre-soaked, machine soaked, so it's a perfect weight, super lightweight, the lightest weight what is possible. And I also always think that the pre-packed carbon is blacker. I'm not sure if you have some more information about this. Also the pre-packed carbon is definitely a lot blacker. I have to talk to my engineer why that is, but if you look at some visible carbon, ever now, yes, sure, it's black, it's not yellow, but if you put them next to each other, I always believe that the pre-packed carbon is definitely more black than the visible carbon. Yeah, it still came out pretty nice, even though it's visible carbon. I mean, there's nothing bad about this. We always suggest visible carbon is a good way if you want to paint. So if you want to paint, you want to have a lightweight product, but you still want to paint it, so take visible carbon. CFK carbon is nice as well, but some people, they love to have this shimmering look when they paint, and then under the paint you can still see a little bit of the visible carbon coming through. Then just choose visible carbon. If you want to go all the way in, fully high-tech carbon fiber, same like OEM, the best quality, of course, you choose pre-packed carbon or forged carbon fiber. So guys, here's some more photos also that I took while we were looking at the wing. I think the product looks stunning. It's really, really amazing. I hope to get your replies, what you think about this wing. Do you think this is something that you would like, or maybe some of your friends would like? Is that something in your market? Do people drive cars with big wings, or are they more elegant? I really find that it's quite a regional favorite thing, or a regional taste thing as well. Some countries, they like big wings, some countries not so much. Let me know the comments down below, and also let me know what you think about this video. Is there any improvement, something you like? If you like this video, of course, please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, please hit it with a thumbs down. You know the drill. But in both cases, no matter you liked or didn't like it, please leave us a comment and tell us what you liked or didn't like, because only then we can improve and give you better car content in future, because that's why we're here. We really want to give a content to you. Some videos that we make are more educational. Some videos like this one is also educational, but more, of course, more towards the customer side, for some people who are interested in that particular product. We really try to make videos for everybody, even though you don't have a supercar or not that particular car. We hope you still like our videos, but please, by all means, I repeat myself, send us comments what you would like to see here more, what would you like to see less, something you didn't like. We're really, really eager. We want to become the best. We want to make a really awesome channel for you guys, but we can only do it with your feedback, so we're really, really looking forward to that. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you haven't done so yet, kindly also subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell icon to get notifications, so then you'll get a little message next time when we upload a new video. I'm also going to blend in here how that looks like on some other channels. So you have to go into the menu, and then there you go. Let me say thank you one more time for watching today, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life.